I've been a tutor for over 6 years. These are my best tips for GCSE science, specifically for triple science. If you're doing combined science, let me know down below and I'll make a separate video. Let's start off with biology. The first thing you want to do is to understand what it is they're asking from you. Majority of the times, it's about the adaptations and functions of something. You need to understand that biology is all about reproduction and survival. So all of your adaptations and functions are usually to do with that. For example, the heart. Our survival depends on the heart being able to pump blood around our body so it can supply it with oxygen. So that means we need to have thicker walls on the left side so that it can pump blood to the rest of the body because it needs higher pressure, things like that. Those are functions and then the adaptations that create that. The best way to learn for biology is to do a lot of questions, but not doing it blindly. You want to look at your topic questions and look at the answers alongside it. And as you are looking at the questions and the answers, turn that into a model answer, turn that into a flashcard, and those are your notes. Your understanding of the core of biology being survival and reproduction, plus your model answer that you just created, will literally help you so much in the exam. Next up is chemistry. So with chemistry, it's honestly one of the easiest ones to do really well in because it is super repetitive. The main thing you want to watch out for is your topics or your understanding on bonding, electrolysis, acids and bases, organic chemistry, and the chemistry of the atmosphere. Now for that last one, they'd like to ask questions on those in the rest of the topics as well, because that is the topic where they ask you about like the global warming and efficiency and energy, things like that. So you really want to know how to apply your knowledge in order to help humanity. The whole point of chemistry is how we can create things and produce things in a way that is efficient and not harming to the environment. So a lot of times you'll get 1-marker questions that most students will have no idea what the answer is, but it has to do with the environment. So if they ask you, why do we not use this method instead of that method? The answer is usually always the same, which is it's because it's bad for the environment. It produces greenhouse gases. There's heat loss to the surroundings. The answer is honestly repetitive. So once again, doing a lot of questions, making model answers of it will be super helpful. If you need model answers, you can take a look at the sample in the link in my bio. I have mine for free for you to download. And lastly, for physics, physics is the one where most students oftenly struggle with, but that is because they only struggle with 2 topics, and that is electricity and forces. Maybe even electromagnetism or waves, but it's usually those 2, electricity and forces. You need to strengthen your maths. If you're struggling with physics, it's purely because you are not good at your maths. And you don't need to be really good at maths itself. You just need to know how to rearrange equations, and that's it. Oh, and also your units. Usually most students make a mistake because they forget to convert the unit. Aside from that, you'll be okay. Any questions, let me know. Aside from that, all the best.